So I figured I'd do a list here of my top 5 favorite fruit trees. Right here behind me, cherry of the Rio Grande, number 5. Cold, hardy, delicious, easy to grow, has required little to no care. You can see how tall she is. There are 7 of them in a row here. These are 5-year-old trees. They have done absolutely wonderful for me. Have sat through many, many, many hours of freezing weather without showing any signs of stopping. They put out a lot of fruit and they are consistent every spring. Cherry of the Rio Grande is a winner for Central Florida. Number 4 is Lemon Cattleya Guava. You see her right here. This tree has stood the test of time. This tree is about 10 years old. It's been here a long time. I have fruited it for years and years and years. It has also sat through many hours of cold, has never had a problem with it, and it fruits prolifically, very easy. It's a wonderful summertime snack. They last for 2 to 3 months through the summer, so I always have a little snack to eat every morning. Lemon Cattleya Guava, number 4. Number 3, Loquat. This plant sat right here through 21 degrees for 12 hours and even held its fruit. The leaves make an amazing tea. This is a Central Florida or overall over Florida native. This plant has no issues with surviving our horrible soil conditions and whatever weather is thrown at it. Gotta have a loquat tree in Central Florida. Number 2, mulberry. Hard to beat a mulberry. These are just opening up for the year and already have fruit on them. This is the Tice variety. There are many wonderful varieties of mulberry here. This one is a Florida native mulberry, so it takes our conditions very, very well. But there are many varieties of mulberries. Right here behind me, you see another one that is called World's Best. That is also just breaking buds now and about to set me an enormous amount of fruit. Can't live without a mulberry here. Too much fruit to argue with that tree. Number 2, mulberry. And my number 1, she is just waking up for the season. It's just starting to flower here. This is my Sun Racer Nectarine. There is no fruit that I love more than my Sun Racer Nectarine. On this entire farm, nothing has blown my hair back quite like this one. The fruit is absolutely astounding. Flavor, the juice, the texture, everything about it. And it just happens to be about 30 foot tall, so it's going to put on a good amount of fruit. You can see her up here behind me. I do need a fruit picker to pick those fruits, but that is my champion right there. There's nothing I look forward to more than my Sun Racer Nectarines. I have 2 more planted on the property, and I think I'm about to plant 5 more. There are my top 5 fruit trees that I love the best for performance, for flavor, for reliability, for cold tolerance. So there you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Need comments? We need input. Tell me what you want to see, and I will talk about it. Have a good day, everyone.